Hello friends, welcome to a brand new video on the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I grew sweet potatoes in a pot. The soil was wet due to heavy shower last night and I couldn't wait to dry it up. This is the sprouted sweet potato which I got from my kitchen. I placed it in the middle and covered it with soil. This is 7 days after the sowing. One shoot came out of the soil. And this is 1 month after the sowing. As you can see, it has produced a second stem. Overall, the growth of the plant is very good. I did not apply any fertilizer or pesticide. So this is 4 months after the sowing. As you can see, the growth of sweet potato is very vigorous and it broke my pot. So I decided it is the right time to harvest it. With a gentle jerk, it came out. Now I will remove the soil and I will see how it produced. So this is it. This was our harvest. This is not so much, but it was very fun to grow them. Next time I will use a bigger pot to get more harvest. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting gardening videos. Have a nice day.